Is Caroline and June a total scam or just misunderstood? Let's break it down. If you've been bombarded by ads for this so-called 30-year-old Palm Beach boutique, you're not alone. Caroline and June claims over 135,000 happy customers. But what's really happening behind the scenes? First, the red flags. Consumer watchdogs and angry shoppers have lit up social media with warnings. The site blows up every January and Black Friday, pushing urgent deals with that classic buy now or miss out forever vibe. Sound familiar? Now let's talk quality, or the lack of it. Tons of buyers say the clothes they got look nothing like the dreamy photos online. Instead, people describe what arrives as cheap knockoffs, mismatched fabrics, bad fits, and basically, total dupes. Thinking of returning those sad clothes? Good luck. The site promises fast and easy returns. But in reality, customers say they get ghosted or hit with a demand to ship their items back to China, sometimes costing more than they paid for the clothes. And what about that 30-year history? Outside their website, there's zero real evidence that a Caroline and June boutique has ever existed in Palm Beach. Feels sketchy, right? So, if you're still tempted to shop, here's how to avoid getting burned. First, stalk their name in consumer complaint groups before you buy. Only use credit cards, so you have chargeback power if things go south. And always double-check that you're on the real site, not a lookalike trying to steal your cash. Bottom line? When it comes to Caroline and June, trust isn't just earned, it's verified. Stay sharp, shop smart, and don't let a pretty website fool you.